Hey everybody, and welcome to Cooking with John Part 2. So as you can see, I already have a little butter in the pan, but whatever, I need to put in more. So, step 1 is to just ignite it and turn it to 4. 4 is a good number for eggs. Now, once it's heated up, you can tell by just hovering your hand over like this. If your hand is warm, it's hot. Oh, it's not centered, okay. Yeah, that's close enough. Next, you want to get your butter. Oh, whoops. It fell off the knife. So what you want to do is just kind of spread it around the pan like this till the entire pan is covered. Now that the butter's all melted, you can crack your egg. Tap it on the side of the pan. That was a little hard, but okay. Now stick your thumbs in and pull apart. It's not very cracky this time. And there you go. Then just throw the eggshell in the sink. Or garbage, or whatever. And now that I've washed my hands, you should wash your hands. Make sure to always wash your hands. The egg is cooking. And you can tell when it's done when it looks like this. Nearly 100% solid, bubbling a little. And then to flip it, you can either use a spatula, just stick the spatula under, flip it over. Or you can use the entire pan. Like this. Oh man, that was actually a really good flip. I wasn't expecting something that good. And then you just turn the stove off. Now that it's off, you put it on a plate. Now that it's on a plate, you put on the salt and pepper. And enjoy.